This video is about removing the adware called ClearArchive. ClearArchive is the adware from the adload family of adware type infections, and this particular adware, once installed, may display its very annoying advertisements while you browse the internet. ClearArchive adware, once installed, may display really junk ads, and it may also periodically redirect the browser to a lot of deceptive sites. If this ClearArchive adware was somehow found on the system, you need to right-click on it and choose this option to move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install it, and once it gets installed, start carefully investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and then eliminate other infections which might still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.